Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. Today I will compare two popular hosting companies, Hostinger and Siteground. If you are planning to start a website and cannot decide which one is better, this video will help you. I will explain the speed, features, support and price in simple English. Also check the description below for the best deal links. You might get some special offers on both of them. So let's start with Hostinger. It's known for being budget friendly. You get good speed, free SSL, free domain and one-click WordPress installation. Their control panel is also beginner friendly and they have 24/7 support. Other side, Siteground is a bit different. It's more premium, which means it's a little expensive. But you get extra feature like better security, daily backup and strong performance, especially if you are running a business website. In speed, both are fast, but Siteground uses Google Cloud Server, which gives you extra speed and stability. Hostinger is fast too, and for most small to medium website, it can work really well. Now let's talk about the support. Siteground is famous for its quick and expert support. Hostinger also has live chat and they are good, but sometimes a bit slow compared to Siteground. When we talk about price, this is where Hostinger wins. It's much cheaper, especially if you are just starting. You can host your website for a few dollars per month, but remember one thing, renewal price can go up later. Other side, Siteground is a bit more expensive from the starting package, but they get high in service. So if you are building a small blog or personal website, Hostinger is enough. But if you are running a business, Siteground might be a better option for you. So that's the comparison between Hostinger and Siteground. If you want cheap and simple, go for Hostinger. If you want premium and advanced, then try Siteground. I have added the discount links and the best price in the description, so check that out before decide. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos. I will see you in the next video.